Hello everyone, this is Wenhua. This is my daughter Laya. You want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Good. Okay, today I want to show us some kids painting together. Laya, which color do you want to use?
This one.
Pink one?
Which color?
This pink one. This pink one.
Okay, mommy put down here. How about we use a pink heart shape? There's a half heart. Okay.
What other color should we use?
It's okay. It's okay. You keep doing this. Keep doing this. Why? Okay. What else do you want to use? Color?
Orange.
Orange? Okay.
I like orange.
This is a orange, kind of orange and yellow. This is a half heart. Oh, very nice.
Here.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I have used this one.
This one, the other color? Okay. What's the color of that?
I think so.
You think what color is that?
I think red color that.
It's yellow. Okay, let mommy
Yeah.
try help you spread all the colors.
Yeah.
Okay. How about you use this spongy? You can do dots on it. You try. Get this one. Give mommy. Mommy finish. Very nice. Good job. Good. Good. Very good. You're doing great, baby girl. Which color you want?
Papa.
Nice. Mommy help you get on the canvas. Okay, we're going here. Okay. Still use this one. It's nice. Good for you to hold it. Yes. Good job. Oh, you try to cover the whole area. Nice.
Yeah. Now this one.
Which color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. You see. How about we go here? Change the canvas. How about mommy enjoy like a river? Oh, how to use a small one. Try this small one. Nice. Good job. Look at you. Good use for the spongy.
This is purple. Mix the blue.
Yeah. Laya, do you want to use red?
Yes.
Okay.
Red is nice.
Red is nice. Yeah, it's like your t-shirt. Same color with your t-shirt.
It's red.
How about mommy put on top of this blue? Oh, go here a little bit. Okay. Let's we use another one. Mommy do this with you together. Cool. Nice stroke. Okay, you done this part? Let me pass it in here. You wanna wipe your finger a little bit?
Yes.
Okay. I think right now
This one.
it's okay. This one light purple, and mommy get you some light purple. How about that? This side can dry a little bit. I'm gonna switch here. That's a big one. Mommy, how about use this one? Bigger spongy. Good job. Very good, sweetie. Okay, now mommy spread here a little bit, help you.
Another one.
Okay, orange again. How about some different color instead of orange?
And you said to do it.
We have some different color here. Let me pick one for you. Okay.
That is not red.
Okay.
I'm going to make another red.
Another red.
Yes. That's new.
This color is pretty. Pick a greater one. Look. How about we try and make a flower? Make it looks like flower.
Daddy, you make a flower.
Yeah.
Cool.
You hold this one, sweetie. And mommy's showing you flower. Can you try to do that too?
Here,
Cool, nice flower. You did great, sweetie.
I made it.
You made
Nice.
it. Yes.
I
Yes.
can.
Very cool.
This one.
Okay.
Can make this one. Picking.
Okay, you pick gold.
Make
Okay,
it.
gold color. This is gold. Let we do some gold in the center.
Gold.
Gold.
Look at that one, gold.
It's not open. Let me open the package. Open a new one. Gold. Ooh. 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 Okay. When you use this big one, use big spongy. Mommy, use this one. Do 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 do. Great job. Okay, nice. Let me hold it. Good job. Okay.
Make a sheep.
Sheep. Okay.
We'll
use-
make baby sheep.
Sounds cool. Use the white. Let we make a sheep. Here. Okay, mommy go here.
That's my sheep.
Yes, I'll make a mommy sheep. Okay, let we use a spongy. You could try to spread the color. It's okay.
A sheep.
Nice sheep, baby girl.
Babies.
So the white sheep everywhere, everywhere. Dun, dun. Sheep run everywhere. Ta-da. Ha 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 ha. So sheep go everywhere. So right now I think it will look pretty good. Very mommy and the baby abstract painting. Let me show our audience how we make this. Very good. Wow, look at you. Okay, are you finished? Okay, I think we're pretty good. Okay, sweetie, so we're done the painting. Do you want to show our friends how's our painting?
Yes.
Okay, let's hold this. Do you like it? Okay. That's great. It's a very good
I
one.
want to phone.
Now we can do paint next time. Would you like to say bye to our friends?
Bye, our friends.
Bye. See you next time.